Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December the 16th, 2020. It's a snowy day out today. We're getting some snow. They're calling for winter snow for us. And I got one of my new seed orders in the mail today. So I'm going to be going over and talking to you about what I got. So I got a Pansy, oops, here we go, Coronation Gold. And I love the gold blooms of this, so this is going to be, these are all going to be new for me, so going to get to see what these here look like. And then I got the Black King Pansy here, and I've seen this a lot. I've never seen it in person, but I saw the photos of it. Now, from what I've seen, this can vary some in color. It can be kind of like a purple color, or it can have like some different colors in it. So I thought, you know, I'll try it, see what it looks like. So it has a yellow eye on these here, and I'm really looking forward to getting to see what these look like. I've seen some pretty good color variations, so we'll see. And then I got the Pansy Celestial Blue, and these really look pretty. I've seen different pictures of these. I've never seen them in person, but blue is a hard color to find in a lot of flowers. So see here what this one looks like. And let's see here. Now this one blooms in 60 to 85 days. So that's pretty good. It's a sky blue pansy, and representing one of the rarest and most sought after colors. Yeah, you don't really find too many blue flowers. But sometimes you can find some. I know, like, they have the Blue Boy Bachelor buttons and different things. And when I saw these, they look so beautiful, I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to try these and see how they look. And then I got a lettuce here as a free gift. This is a French heirloom here. And it was listed in 1885. Wow, that's an old variety. So this is a red romaine winter lettuce. It's very hardy, and cold intensifies the color. So I'm really looking forward to getting to try this one here. Never tried this variety before. And I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so that should do pretty good for us, because sometimes, like, we had a very late start off this year to gardening. I mean, we had snow on Mother's Day, which is normally our planting day, so I'm really looking forward to getting to try this. So I'm going to take my pansy seeds and put them in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to chill them down for 2 weeks before I plant them. That helps break the dormancy on your pansy seeds to help them germinate faster. Okay, the Coronation Gold pansy is a 60 to 85 day bloom as well. Okay, let's see what the Black King is here. They don't tell me that one. Okay, so we'll see when that one blooms. So when this says 60 to 85 days, what that means is if you're using like cell packs that are large enough to hold your seedlings in until you can plant them outside, from the time when your seeds germinate, it would be about 60 to 85 days for them to bloom. Now, if you do want to transplant them, and you use your peat pellets, and you transplant your peat pellets when they're ready to be transplanted, that will reduce the transplant shock, and it should still bloom within the 60 to 85 days. Now, if you transplant your seedlings, that starts all over again. So what you have to do then is you have to count from when you transplant them to get a roundabout estimate for when they're going to bloom. Now, there are a few things that can slow your plants down on blooming. One of the things is if your seedlings don't get enough food and they don't grow, they just kind of sit there, that can delay the blooming. And another thing that can delay your blooming is if you're feeding your plants with a very high nitrogen. That can delay your blooming as well, because the plants will be putting all of their energy into leafing and they won't put their energy into flowers. Now, what I do for my seedlings when they first come up, after they get their true leaves, I do feed them with the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, and I use 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I've never had an issue with doing that, with delaying the blooms, because when my seedlings first come up, I want to get that root system established. So that's why I feed my plants. And then as they get older, I switch them then to a different plant food. So really looking forward to getting to plant these. Now I do have a lot of seed videos for planting coming up, and I did get my colossal blotch pansy mix planted. I planted that a few days ago. It is starting to germinate. I have a video coming on them, so you can stay tuned for that. And I'll show you the snow here real quick and show you what it looks like here. So you can see what it looks like here. We have a lot of winter storm advisories. I was going to take a picture from the other side, but you can't see anything from all of the snow and the clouds, and it's like a fog sort of on the other side. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!